Okay, we got a couple more problems here. We're going to work out and probably move on to the next section. So in these two problems here, this is pretty much a summation of the distributive property, adding, subtracting, and writing it in standard form. Pretty much everything we talked about. All right, let's get started. So let's say we have 2 times 4x minus 3 minus 4 times x squared minus 1, which is in parentheses. Okay, so let's simplify this expression. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2, distribute it across. So that's going to give me 8x minus 6. And then let's distribute this minus 4 across to each term. So that becomes minus 4x squared. We have this minus 4x, minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, but you can think of it as a negative times a negative, which is positive. Now let's collect up our like terms. Well, I don't really see any like terms that are like the 8x. We've got minus 6 plus 4. Those are like terms. But let's write this thing in standard form. Right? The degree of the polynomial is 2. So we're going to write that out here in the front. I guess we should scroll down. And then plus 8x. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Written in standard form, okay, the degree of the polynomial is 2. All right. Of course, the leading term is negative 4x squared. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. We have minus 7 times, all in parentheses, 2 minus 3x plus x squared minus 8 times 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. Let's distribute this minus 7 across. Whoa, what was all that? Should be like that. So we have minus 7 times 2 is negative 14. Right? The negative 7 times the 3x, which is going to be a plus 21x. Okay. And then got the negative 7 times the x squared minus 7x squared. All right, let's take a look. We got minus 8 times 2x squared. That's negative 16x squared. Negative 8 times negative 4x, or minus 4x, leaves us with a plus. What is that? 32x, and I've run out of room. And then minus 8. Okay, minus 8 at the end. 8 times 1. All right, let's collect up all our like terms. Let's look for the terms that have the highest degree. And it looks like minus 7x squared minus 16x. So when we add those two coefficients together, we're going to get, what are we going to get? Let's see. Minus, is that right? 23. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Other like terms, 21x plus 32x. That's going to give us, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 53. X. What else do we have? We have the minus 14 and the minus 8. So that's going to give us 6. Let's see, 7, 8, 22. Okay, written in standard form. So this is really important that you get this down. These are called intermediate steps. That's the reason we call this intermediate algebra. But if you move on to calculus, which you should, this is the kind of stuff that you're going to be expected to know. However, this is what slows people in calculus down, and that's because of all the intermediate algebra. The calculus is easy. It's the intermediate algebra that people have problems with. So remember that. We're over here at youtube.com/Michael Griffiths. See you in the next problem.